Alright, good morning guys again. This is one of the new additions to the farm. I love these two little parrots. These are so pretty. Come on. So this is the feeder right here. Alright. The water pot is right here. And I'll soon be putting a mating box in there, but I'm not ready as yet. So yeah man. What I love about them, their colors are so clean, so pretty. This white one here don't even have a pitch of brown on him. That's beautiful. Alright guys, this is Jamaica Animal Channel. And I love for you guys to please like, share and subscribe to these videos. Alright, I have one more interesting thing guys, what I can see right here. I'm not sure if my camera is like 100% clean enough. Oh, she's coming over. I guess she see what's going on. This white parakeet's eye, it's actually brown or reddish. I think it's some more red. And now the yellow one, it's like straight black. It's like dark. Yeah, it looks so lovely. So I'm gonna be building a nesting box soon, and I'll give you guys an update on that nesting box for these parakeets.